foam roller, is it really that useful, or is it just an overrated fitness hype? I'm sure you've heard of it and how everyone rolls after workouts, but did you know that it's actually way more important to use a foam roller before training? Let's break down why, when, and how it actually works. Hi, I'm Caroline, a mom, a surfer, and a certified personal trainer. In this video, I'm going to dig deeper into these questions about the foam roller, and let's discuss what a foam roller really does to your muscles and fascia, why pre-workout rolling is more important, and how it helps with mobility and muscle activation, common mistakes that make it useless or even harmful, quick demo of correct technique, who should avoid it and when to stop. So what it actually does. Foam rolling isn't magic. You're not breaking up fascia. That's a myth. What you're doing is stimulating the nervous system and increasing blood flow to the muscles. That helps reduce stiffness and improve movement quality before training. Why foam rolling after training is less impactful. It does not speed up muscle recovery. Research shows foam rolling does not change inflammation markers or muscle damage. DOMS, soreness, may feel lower, but it's only subjective. It does not affect muscle growth. No measurable improvement in hypertrophy or strength recovery. Post-workout benefits are mostly sensory. You may feel looser and more relaxed, but there is minimal physiological recovery happening. Why you should roll before a workout? It reduces muscle tone and stiffness, thus improves mobility. Foam rolling decreases neural activation and releases local muscle tension. This increases joint ROM, range of motion, without reducing strength, unlike static stretching. Studies show that a 4 to 10 immediate increase in ROM after foam rolling. It increases blood flow. Rolling applies pressure to soft tissues. When the pressure is released, you get reactive hyperemia, a quick surge of blood flow. This warms the tissues and prepares them for movement. Blood flow to soft tissue can increase by 50–70% right after rolling. It activates the nervous system. Foam rolling stimulates mechanoreceptors in the fascia and muscles. The brain gets more sensory input, which improves motor readiness and movement quality. It lowers injury risk during training. More mobility and warm tissues result into less strain on cold or stiff muscles. How to do it right? Roll slowly, about 1 inch per second. Start at approximately the 8th thoracic vertebrae, mid-back. Use legs to create movement up and down the back. Extend your head and neck over the foam roller to achieve full motion and decrease strain on the neck. Foam roller should not be used on the lumbar spine due to the excessive pressure placed directly on the vertebrae. Lie with the foam roller on your rib cage with your arm extended over your head. Use your legs to create movement. Lie face down with the roller under your hips, on one side at a time. Use your arms to prop the body to one side. The feet can be staggered or stacked, and the trunk can be supported by the hand or elbow. All heads of the quadriceps are important to foam roll. The rectus femoris, vastus intermedius, deep to the rectus femoris, vastus medialis, and vastus lateralis. Lie face down on the foam roller with the trunk propped on the elbows, as with a plank. Feet will be elevated. Start with one leg, both are on the roller, and begin on the top of the thigh. Maneuver your body to roll toward the knee until an adhesion is located. The knee is flexed and extended slowly 6 to 10 times. Sit with one or both calves perpendicular to and on top of the foam roller. Use your arms to create the rolling movement. Spend 5 to 10 minutes in total, then move into a dynamic warm-up. It improves mobility, reduces stiffness, helps you move more efficiently. It's not recovery. It does not replace stretching, strength work, or rest. Overdoing it can actually make you sore. Avoid rolling directly on joints or bones, and if you feel numbness or tingling, stop. If you have bruising, swelling, or acute injury, skip the roller until you heal. So no, the foam roller isn't overrated, it's just misunderstood. Use it right, short, targeted before your session, and you will feel the difference in how you move and perform.